This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the United States.
Good. That's a good one. Birthright. That's a big one.
What about that one in the courts? That one is likely to be challenged.
Could be. We think we have good grounds, but you could be right. I mean, you'll find out.
President Donald Trump's executive order challenging birthright citizenship is set to face its first significant legal test as a federal judge in Seattle considers a request for a temporary restraining order. This hearing represents the first in what is expected to be many challenges to the president's controversial reinterpretation of the 14th Amendment. U.S. District Judge John Coughenour is overseeing the case and could impose a temporary restraining order, which could complicate the birthright order's expected February 19th implementation date. The executive order was signed as one of Trump's first major directives and aims to limit birthright citizenship to children born to at least one U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident parent.
We're the only country in the world that does this with birthright, as you know. And it's just absolutely ridiculous. But, you know, we'll see. We have very good grounds.
Sir,
People have wanted to do this for decades.
This redefinition of the 14th Amendment's citizenship clause could strip citizenship from an estimated 150,000 children born annually to undocumented parents, according to the plaintiffs suing against the directive. The 14th Amendment, ratified in 1868, guarantees citizenship to, quote, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof. In 1898, the Supreme Court reinforced birthright citizenship in United States v. Wong Kim Ark, ruling that the U.S.-born child of Chinese immigrants was a citizen despite restrictive immigration laws like the Chinese Exclusion Act. The legal debate hinges on the interpretation of the 14th Amendment's jurisdiction clause, an area where judicial opinions and legal scholarship diverge. In addition to the Seattle case, lawsuits have been filed in Maryland and elsewhere, including by nonprofit groups and undocumented pregnant women. These challenges argue Trump's order would cause irreparable harm by denying basic rights and sowing instability for affected children.